Great morning, all of you. Yes, sit down please. This is your computer class? Okay. Today we will revise chapter number 1, that is input and input and yes. What is a computer? First of all, I am asking to you, what is a computer? Who will tell me? Yes, please. Yes. How we can say computer is a machine? It is enough? Not enough. Not enough. Computer is an electronic device which takes input from user, process that and gives us output as a result. So computer is an electronic machine, or he said computer is a machine. So just tell me, fan is also a machine. So is it a computer? Is it? This light is also a machine. Is it a computer? Why? What is the difference in it? What is the difference? The difference, main difference is both are electronic devices. This is a computer we are doing here, and this is an electronic machine, means electronic machine, and this fan is also an electronic machine. The main difference is it takes input from us, or it is also taking input like electricity.
Yes, ma'am.
But these machines cannot process on that. But this computer takes input from us, means we are the users, and process on that data. Process means converting input into output. But these machines are only doing input and output, means we are switching on the button, then it will switch on and give us output as a air. This is input and output only. But this machine means computer takes input from us, process on that data and gives us output. Now our topic is input and output devices. First we will understand what is input and what is output. See, input means we are entering into the computer, means we are entering something data into the computer. Like this is our body, this is our body, or we are having food. We are having food means we are inputting the food. We are inputting the food, and our body convert that food into energy. है ना? That is called process. That is called process. Food is converting into energy. That is called process. Means converting input into output. That is called process. Converting input into output is called process. Or we are having food, we are inputting into our body, and our body convert that food into energy, and after that we will do our work. है ना? This is the work. Yes.
Input, process and output.
Yes. Computer works in 3 stages. Like first it will take input from us, then it will process that work and give us the output. Same. Now we are talking about devices. Now we are talking about devices. Devices means the instrument which we are using for input and output. See here, this is our output device. Output device means we are getting something from it. है ना? कि we can read from here, we can learn from here, we can watch here, then means we are getting something. Or if we are giving to it, like I am typing here, this is my computer, this is my computer, means I am typing from here and this data is going inside the computer. That means we are inputting something. We are inputting something. We are entering something. So if we are entering something means which, with the help of which we are entering. With the help of input devices. Input devices. Input devices. With the help of input devices, we can enter into the computer. Like I have written this line with the help of keyboard. So here keyboard is an input device. Keyboard is an input device. With the help of keyboard, we can enter, we can type data. Means beta, just listen carefully. In computer language, it is called data. But it is called data. Data means whatever we are entering into the computer, in computer sense, it is called data. Or when we are getting information, anything like I have typed here 10 lines, or you are reading from here, that means you are taking information. But you are taking information. Or what we are entering into the computer?
Input device.
Data. We are entering data. Or what we are getting? Information. Information. With the help of input device, we will enter data into the computer and we will get output here. We will get output here. So, which with the help of keyboard. So, keyboard is an input device. Or this screen. With the help of this screen, what we are getting? Output. Output we are getting. So, this projector is called output device. Because with the, this is the device. Means if I am writing something, if I am writing something on board with chalk, so chalk is also a device. Chalk is also a device. So here we are entering something into the computer or we are getting information from computer. These all are known as devices. But it is called devices. So input device is used to enter data into the computer, and with the help of output devices we are getting information from the computer. Clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Computer is working on 3 stages, that is input, process, output. Input we will enter into the computer, or process computer will do. Process computer will do. Computer will give us output. In which stages computer will work? Output. In 3 stages. That is output. Yes. First is input. Second is output. Yes. We will enter data into the computer through input devices. Or computer will convert that input into output. Computer will convert input into output. That is called processing. The conversion of input into output is called processing. Clear to everyone? Yes, ma'am. Yes. So these devices which we are using into the computer for entering the data, that is known as input devices. Input devices. Or that devices called output devices. Clear? So here, now I am talking about input and output devices. So first we will read input devices. First we will read
Input devices.
input devices. So who will tell me input device? Yes.
Input device.
Name any input device.
Keyboard and mouse.
Keyboard and
Mouse.
most commonly used keyboard and mouse. But these are two commonly used. Any other input device who can tell me? Wait. Microphone. Saksham, what you tell? Light pen. Light pen. Means these devices we are using for entering data into the so one common device which all of you are using. No. All of you are using phone. Touchpad. With the help of touchpad, you are doing like this. You are playing games. You are opening anything. That means touchpad is also an input device or touchpad. Yes. Scanner also an input device. Now I am talking about output devices. Yes. Sorry. One by one. Sit down all of you. Sit down all of you. Sit down all of you. Yes. No, scanner is an input device. Printer is output device. Sorry. Yes. Monitor. Mostly used output devices are in our class also. Two types of outputs are there. Soft copy hard copy and two types of outputs are there. One is soft copy or one is hard copy. Now, what is the difference between soft copy and hard copy?
Soft copy we can't touch and hard copy. Soft copy we can't touch and soft copy see in the printer and hard copy prints onto a paper.
Yes. See, two types of outputs are there.